up, Gato Squad? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Elias, and if you are new here and you like car stuff like I do, hit that button below to subscribe. So today is finally the day we get to pick up the Honda Prelude. It's been away from me for about a year. Lots of different things popped up. I'll be sure to go over it in detail as I build the Prelude, but needless to say, I'm excited to see it again and to finally drive it again. So let's go take a ride in the Beamer. And yes, the Beamer's back on the road, the tire is fixed, and let's go pick it up. Here we go, guys. We made it to New York City. That's where the car is, and Beamer did really well. We're waiting on Jane because I can't drive two cars at once, but here it is. Now the main thing, of course, is there's no more weird sounds coming from the engine bay. We did a lot of work to this engine. I'll cover that in another video. For now, we gotta get this car back to Pennsylvania. So let's go. Here we go, guys. We're driving the Prelude back. Feels good to be back home. I drove this car for 10 years straight as my only car. And we got some traffic, of course. It is rush hour. Alrighty, so we are out of traffic. No longer having to deal with traffic. We're on open roads, and the car feels pretty good. I feel like I'm back home. Like I was saying before, I drove this car for 10 years. I drove this car as my only car, as my daily driver. I moved to Florida and back in this car. I did a lot in this car. Here we go, guys. We made it. We are here with the Prelude. We are back at home base. It drove beautifully. On the way up here, of course, I had that hill climb I always do, and there's something not quite right. I'm thinking either, well, I'm pretty sure it's a blown motor mount that's causing some weird vibration to happen from the engine. Something weird's happening with the engine and the way it vibrates or the way it moves. Maybe it wasn't installed right, or it was just a blown engine mount, but we'll figure that out another time. It's just funny how it is, you know, I've driven this car for 10 years, and you know, I drove it for the first 10 minutes, you know, you have to familiarize yourself with it, but then after that, I felt right at home. I felt like I've driven this car for my whole life, and I really have. You know, I've driven this car for, like I said, 10 years and like 140,000 miles. That's a lot. That's a lot to put on a car. You know, I've driven it back and forth from Florida. It's been quite a trip. So I'm gonna just close it up here. I'm gonna get dinner going. I hope you enjoyed the video. A lot of Prelude videos to come, of course. This is gonna be the race car for this year. So we're gonna be working on this car, figuring out what's wrong with it, doing lots of things to it. And we're gonna have some fun, guys. So thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.